Hi everyone, I'm Alyssa Daguise dan hari ini saya lagi video shoot dengan Bazaar dan FENDI di Park Hyatt. My first word that comes to mind when I think about FENDI is Italian craftsmanship. My favorite look from today is the crop blazer. So I wore this really cute crop blazer. Waktu itu aku di Paris and I saw this little nano bag and it was really cute. And yeah, I think that's one of my favorites. The reason that I love FENDI is because I love their craftsmanship. Their collections are always so amazing, always detailed, very elegant and very effortless, and that's kind of my style. I love the classic chic woman, and FENDI gives off that vibe. Maybe the FENDI First bag. It's this pouch bag that has the F for FENDI and it's really cute. And maybe that one on my next wish list.